Sucking his daddy's thumb. He's so funny.
How long does your thing got a record thing on it?
The
How
phone?
long does it
Oh,
record?
it'll go forever.
Oh, really? You got one of them nice ones then.
Yeah. Pull it up there to the thing, watching for him to come up right after it.
There, yes, yes. Oh, turn it on.
Like, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. I want my bottle. I want my pacifier. We tried the pacifier and everything. He won't take anything but that.
He's just as happy as a lark, isn't he?
Oh yeah.
And he's how old?
8. There we go.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
That's his song, huh? Can't touch this.
He's still hanging on to that thumb though. That tail just a wagging.
We need to send out the funny videos.